So today we are going to learn the types of the sets. Is it visible to you? So set is once again, let us recall the definition. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. So this form of writing the sets, first two forms of writing set is called anyone. First
Set
A set,
builder
B set is
and tabular
yes,
form.
set builder. Set builder form. First two are C is the set. C is the set of in a
Roster form.
roster form or set builder. Yes, or tabular. Both are right. So here, whenever you take into consider the these sets, you let us take into consider x is such that x is a natural number and x less than or equals to 4. X less than or equals to 4. So x is such that x is a natural number and x less than or equal to 4 means how many numbers we are going to get it here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is finite number of elements are there in this set. So we can count. So as we can count, the number of elements is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is, and there are some elements are there. It is non-empty finite set. Empty nahi hai, kuch blank to nahi hai. So it is non-empty finite set. Finite is nothing but if the number of elements in a set is countable, then it is called a set does not contain any element is called as a empty set. If a set contains no element, means suppose if you see that this one set builder form is there. So x is such that x is a real number of x square plus 1 is equals to 0. X square plus 1 equal to 0 means x square equal to minus 1 we will get. What do we get? X square equal to minus 1. So there is no x such that you are going to get x square is a negative number. Because square negative आने के chances नहीं है ना. So that's why there is no real number such. Real number does not exist. So that's why it is no element will satisfy, no number will satisfy. So it is not going to have any element. So that's why Kali brackets में ही लिखना, सिर्फ brackets लिखना. So this is called empty set or null set or void set. A set that does not contain any element is called empty set or null set or void set. No elements, and it is denoted by the symbol. Particularly, usually sets are denoted by capital letters, isn't it? Sets are denoted by. So empty set is particularly denoted by the pi symbol. Symbol will be used. That is a circle. Okay, इसको cancel करना है. So that is pi. We call it as in Greek letters pi. Okay, 22 by 7 approximate value of the pi is different and this is different. Okay, n is such that n is a x is a natural number. X is
Sir,
such that
voice
x
is
is a
not
natural
clear.
number. Voice is not clear for all. For all, it is not clear.
Sir, it is
It is clear.
Okay, it is maybe in your area that is network not good, so that's why it's not clear. So x is such that x is a natural number, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So there is no limit of, we cannot count that. So continuation it is going to happen. So while comparing the two sets, we should consider the number as well as the type of the elements in them. So type of the elements also should be taken into consideration. A such that A is the solution of A square minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is the set such that B is an odd integer between minus 2 to plus 2. So A square minus 1 equal to 0 means A square equal to 1. A equal to plus or minus 1. But x is equals to, you are going to get minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay. B, if you are taking, B is an odd integer between minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 ka beech mein what are the positive integers, sorry, odd integers are, odd numbers are there, minus 1 and 1. So both are same only, but both are getting the same elements. X whatever it is, but we are writing the x in one way and y is in one way. So x is containing the minus 1 to 1. It is two elements is there. In these two elements are the same elements are there in both. In the both sets, we are going to have the same elements, that is -1 comma 1. X and Y are equal since both have the same number of elements and as well as the same type of elements. So equal sets. When do we call the equal sets? Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same number of elements and we write A equal to B. Otherwise, the sets are unequal sets. Equal sets is different from the equivalent sets. Next, we are going to have the equivalent sets, that also I'll explain to you. These are equal, means same hona hai, order different ho sakta hai. Pehle 1, next to after -1, you can have. First to -1, next to +1, you can have. Order may be anything, but same elements if they are present, they are called equal sets. Now, in this situation, A is containing the 4 elements and B is containing the 4 elements, but different elements. Number of elements are same. Then these two sets are called equivalent sets. Equal sets and equivalent. They are not equal. They are not equal. Now, X is set such that A is a letter in the word God. God में letters क्या है? G, O, D. B is such that B is the letter in the word good. Good में वो double time होना है. Double time नहीं लिखना है ना. 2 times we are not supposed to write the any element in the set. That is the main property of the set. So G, O, D only we are going to get. Now these two sets are equal sets because same elements are present. Although we are representing it in a different way, same elements are present. So that's why we call them as a equal sets. Equal sets both. And it is going to have the same number of elements and same elements. Same elements are there. So that's why we call them as a equal sets. Okay. And such type of the sets are called equal sets.